Hello guys, today I want to make another tutorial, but this time about mixing. Not mastering, just mixing. So I just want to show you how you can easily clean up your elements in the mix which you want to have in the front, even if you have something also playing at the same time. Let's say you have white noise going down from the you have white noise sweep and it's going from up to down, and you have your lead sound or melody and you want to have it hearable properly. So what you can do, let me show you my newest track from my techno project. Is 𝐬𝐢𝐝𝐿 Enigma. So I want to show you that where is the problem. Okay, so here is I will show you maybe before drop, and here is the main lead. Okay, so let me play it, and then you will see here in this area that the white noise is overlapping this this very nice lead sound, and we don't want it. So first I will play it and then I will show you what you can do. And it will be about now. Okay, so you can see that the white noise is overlapping this lead sound again. It's not bad, but we can make it much better. So first thing, here is the white noise. So what I'm gonna do, I will put EQ on it first. So I will just take all of the mid and low frequencies from here. Let me see. Yeah, okay, it's not doing too much, but anyway, the most important thing is we're gonna make sidechain compression here. So first of all, we're gonna make sidechain of our kick drum, so it will be more pumping. So just let me. Alright, and then I will put another compressor afterwards, and I will do sidechain of all this group of all of this. Okay, because I want to have nice and punchy sound. So I'm coming back to my white noise, and then I'm gonna make sidechain of the main lead, not main lead. Yeah, it could be actually mainly because they play on the same notes all the time. So it could be just main lead, and I need to mix that with threshold. I need to go with threshold to exact moment that I want, because if you're gonna go too much, it will be bad also. All right. I need to go here. Okay, so let's mix it together. So I'm gonna show you maybe how it's gonna sound if I would take it totally down. 1 second. Now there is no white noise at all. Again, 1 second. Okay, and I will take it down and check out. And with. I think it's much better. Alright, so thanks for today and see you in next videos. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, hit the like button and follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Facebook, even my TikTok. So take care and see you in next videos. Bye.